Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the container. Open a page and add a calendar block now. Choose full page if you want a standalone calendar or inline to embed with other content. Once added, make sure you have a date property. Name it date to avoid confusion later. You also should create a title and optionally a tags property. This first setup lets you filter and sort immediately. Do this now so subsequent steps operate on a predictable structure. Next, populate and shape the calendar so it reflects your workflow. Create at least 3 views: month for planning, week for execution, and list for a sequential backlog. Then apply filters to each view to show only what matters. Customize properties like status, priority, and tags so you can sort and group. Drag entries across dates to reschedule. Open an event to link it to other pages. Once done, these tweaks let you switch perspectives without rebuilding data. Finally, automate and share the calendar for sustained use. Create template buttons for recurring events or simple formulas that compute next dates. That way you reduce manual entry. Share the calendar and set collaborator permissions. View only for observers, edit for contributors. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check that your date property is actually a date type, confirm there aren't duplicate property names, and make sure filters aren't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.